Hello, my name is Higashino from Z Engineering. For the past 42 years, we have been working with steam traps. During that time, we have seen steam systems in many different factories. This YouTube channel is not meant to defend or promote office traps. Instead, we will talk about the real problem that actually occur in steam system in the field, and how we have tried to find answers to those problems through our work on site. That is what this channel is about.
Most steam system problems are still not solved. In the field, the same troubles keep repeating. For example, water hammer, pipe vibration, trap failures, temperature, not reaching set point, problems that only occur in winter. The cause is not where you can see it. The problem always hits suddenly, and by the time you notice, it's already too late. Why does it keep happening? 3 reasons. You can't see it. You can't measure it. You can't explain it. That's why you don't truly understand what's happening. You can't predict the trouble, and you never reach the real cause. Winter 2024. We were called to a food factory, a batch heating process. 3 vessels, 3 pressures, 4 kilograms, 6 kilograms, 8 kilograms. The operator said, only the 4 kilograms line won't heat up. Condensate is stuck inside. And the strange part, it doesn't happen every time. So what do? They blame the trap. Low pressure, bad trap. So they replace it, upsize it. But no matter what they try, it never gets fixed. And we found something critical. The condensate from all 3 traps was merging into one pipe. And here's the turning point. The problem only happens when the 8 kilograms line is running. When it stops, everything looks normal. So it's not a 4 kilograms problem. The real problem is the 8 kilograms side. There's a strong possibility that steam is leaking from the 8 kilograms trap. Once steam leaks, back pressure builds. It can reach nearly 4 kilograms. This is the key point. The 6 kilograms line still works because it has differential pressure. The 4 kilograms line fails because it has none. So, the trap isn't the problem. The pressure is, and the problem is, you can't see inside the pipe. You don't know where the steam is coming from. It might not even be the 8 kilograms side, but you have to make a call. Start with the 8 kilograms side. Replace the trap. The result? The problem disappeared. The cause? Steam leakage from the 8 kilograms trap. But don't misunderstand this. This is not a trap failure. This is a design failure. What should have been done? Keep drain lines separated, or separate them by pressure. What actually happened? They combined everything into one line. High pressure pushed directly into the low pressure side. This is a piping design problem. You can't see it. You can't measure it. You don't understand it. The cause is not where you're looking. The difficulty of steam system management is this. You don't know what's happening inside. The cause exists somewhere else. So, what's actually happening inside? Why does condensate stop flowing? Why does differential pressure disappear? Next time, we'll explain what's happening. At the end of a steam line, the key word is 2-phase flow. In the field, that's what we call it.